Arabic feels too difficult. Trick: break it into the smallest pieces possible. Don't try to learn the entire grammar book or dictionary at once. Start with just one short, useful sentence. Say this sentence out loud with me. أنا أتعلم العربية. I am learning Arabic. That's it. One sentence, one win. Repeat it daily until it is automatic. This trick builds confidence fast and shows your brain that Arabic is manageable. أنا أتعلم العربية.
Expand your Arabic skills with your free AlifBee app trial today. It's packed with interactive lessons, stories, vocabulary lists, quizzes, and exercises to boost all your skill levels. Start your journey now. Click the link in the description below to get your free trial before it's gone. AlifBee.app/free14. AlifBee. Learn Arabic the smart way.